Welcome to Ifa Stories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. Life and Death, Prayer, Baba Ojuani Meyi, Meyi, Àmàbọ and Ayano ile ulu oba, ile ke aya, etu Meyi, akuko Meyi, odan Meyi, aya Meyi, ele de Meyi, okunrin ati obinrin. Bi ena umbowa aye, adifafun Òrúnmìlà, esede odun, Ojuani Meyi, aleyo umbo nile, gbogbo erankoin loile Àmàbọ, okane tudundun. Ebo akan, kafire fun obalaye, kafire fun Òrúnmìlà, chant siere. Ayano ayako kuo ahere omalu guda ayakuo kuo ahere. Story. In the land of Lása, there were two Osahoanos who were twins. One was named Àmàbọ, and he lived in the forest. The other, Ayano, lived in the town and was always adorned with beads. Ayano had an equal number of male and female animals: goats, roosters, guinea fowls, dogs, and pigs. And these animals began to reproduce. When he moved into a house, he went to consult Òrúnmìlà, who performed divination for him and revealed this Ifa. Òrúnmìlà instructed him to make the Ibo Awan and warned him never to kill a single one of his animals. Ayano ignored this advice. One night, a guest arrived at his house, and since Ayano had nothing to offer, he killed a rooster to feed his visitor. This happened again with goats and pigs. One day, it was the turn of the guinea fowl, but as soon as it saw Ayano, it began to scream, "Ayano, golori me! You will not kill me." All the animals panicked and fled from Ayano's house. At that time, Àmàbọ never failed to perform rituals to honor the owner of the land he lived on, Oduduwa Agwesi, and he constantly prayed for prosperity. He too had gone to consult Òrúnmìlà and had received the same Ifa with the same Ebo, as a threat loomed over them. Àmàbọ began scattering corn and oats along the path. The animals that had fled from Ayano's house found this food and started eating, eventually making their way to Àmàbọ's home. Àmàbọ had a black guinea fowl with him for the Ebo Awan, as instructed by Ojuani Meyi. All the animals entered Àmàbọ's home, saw the abundance of grass and grains, and decided to stay with him. Àmàbọ took his jaw, ritual broom, and swept away the signs from the path. That day, while searching for his animals, Ayano arrived at Àmàbọ's home, greeted him, and asked about his animals. "I haven't seen them," Àmàbọ replied. "I only have one guinea fowl for the Ibo Awan." The animals stayed with Àmàbọ. Then, in order to start anew, Ayano also had to perform the Ibo Awan with a guinea fowl. Note: the Ibo Awan is performed because when smallpox appears, animals cannot be slaughtered and their blood cannot be spilled on the ground. If this is done, the disease's fury will not subside, but will instead spread over individuals or the entire community.